So I just got this hyper tough 1/2 inch impact wrench at $48, tax included. So I'm gonna use it for light duty stuff. It takes about 76 pound-foot to tighten the lug nuts. So I think this should be able to undo the lug nuts on the small car. So it comes with a 20-volt 2 amp-hour battery. So if you were to buy a 2 battery, like a Black & Decker OEM, it would be like $50 for a battery like this. So this comes with a battery and a 2 1/2 inch. So this is not brushless, this is the old style, but hey, I'm not a mechanic, so this will work fine for me. So if you find the 2 amp-hour doesn't work well for you, you can, if you're handy and you don't mind things going up in smoke, you can use your own battery. I built this battery pack for my lawnmower. So my lawnmower has an electric start, so this works to start the lawnmower. This has balance charging. This is a high discharge. I think Samsung or Sony batteries. Anyway, so this battery can act as a spare or for more heavy duty use. Yeah, $48, and what more can you ask for? Comes with a battery. Make your own if you don't mind things going up in smoke. Maybe your battery will go up in smoke, or your drill will go up in smoke. But at least this have balance charging. I have a balance charging cable attached to it. So this makes for a good backup battery, and I think it will be more powerful than the 2 amp-hour. All right, if anyone is interested in how I make this work, you can leave your questions in the comments, and I'll try to answer it.